everybody? Where are you? Hello? Help!
More than 60%'s been logged out and they're now in the old growth, but through all the logged areas get to an area that's a mapped koala hub.
So I'm Greg the Glider. Today I've walked to stop Grensill Brothers and Forestry Corp from smashing this greater glider habitat. It's been found that Forestry Corp's own surveys 181 times breached the EPA's protocols on finding gliders. Forestry Corp's been in this forest doing greater glider surveys in the daytime. They're not finding any den trees. It's like looking for tits on a bull. It just isn't there. So we need the science done properly, or we need them to stop logging areas like this immediately. And that's why we were here today, to give that stop work order. Basically saying that the science hasn't been done properly, their logging is therefore illegal. But they just went home, they didn't want to talk to us. So we are hanging out here, making sure they're not going to come back after lunch or smoko. And we just need the stop work orders to come from above. Community pressure is going to work. This has got to be the beginning of the end for Forestry Corp. So with the science, the legals, and the community direct action, we can smash them out of this forest.
We must keep the Great Koala National Park on the move, and we must stop the logging.